Hey, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to play Jour Beni, Jour De Victoire. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. So, all right, so we're going to separate this into two parts, right? So we're going to have the first half of the song. It's really there's not really a verse and a chorus type of pattern like most songs do. It's just one 8 line bar of lyrics after one another. So you'll see what I mean when I kind of split it up, because there are two sections and they're different on each end, even though they start the same. So we're gonna start like this. Oh, Jour Beni. We're gonna start in the C major chord. You have C and G in the left hand, C, E, G in the right. Right? Or if you'd like to extend it, you can take the thumb from the left hand here, extend it over here. Right, now you have two C's here, and then on the right hand you have E, G, and then C with your right hand. So it looks like this: thumb, index finger, pinky. Right, you're starting from here to go to the F chord. That's Fa. So we have F and C in the left, F, A, C in the right. To the G major chord, G and D in the left, G, B, and D in the right. Back to C. So it's go Jour Beni, Jour De Victoire. Okay. Now the next part, que je ne saurais oublier. Right? Que je. We're gonna go back to F major chord, and then we're gonna go down to the C first inversion. Right, so we have E at the bottom, C with your left hand on the top, and then on the right hand, same thing as a C extended. You have that E, G, and C. Right, the only difference between this and this is that E. So our first starting chord is like this: Oh, Jour Beni. But for the next line, que je ne saurais, right here, and then les oublier. Right, we have the D minor, D and A in the left, D, F, and A in the right. Oublier. Going to the G major, G and D, G, B, and D. Let's start over. Oh, Jour Beni, Jour De Victoire. Right, they're going to go to F major, que je ne, and then C first inversion. So, and then D minor, oublier, G major. And then you stay here for the next line. Je vous, back to C major. Le wa, then you go to G major again. Wa, gloire. Then back to F major. Apparaissant, C first inversion. To the G major again. Tu m'en sentier. Back to C. So you're gonna be in this position at least a few different times in this song, either by playing regular C first inversion, or regular C extended. Instead of playing it like this, you're playing it like this, and also the C first inversion with that E at the bottom there. Right? So let's do it again. Oh, Jour Beni, Jour De Victoire. Back to F major, que je ne, C first inversion. So D minor, oublier, to the G major. Stay at the G major. Je vis. Right, back to C major. Then we're going to G again. Le roi de gloire. To the F major. Apparaissant, with that C first inversion again. Sur mon santé. Back to C. So F, C first inversion, G major, C extended. Next line, right? This is part 2. This is where it gets a little difficult. Not difficult, just different, especially at the end of the song, or end of this next phrase. Saboter sa gloire. So see how it starts at that C extended to go to that C first inversion, right? To go to the sa gloire, F major, F C, F A C, infinite, G D in the left, G B D, right? The F to G chord. Guys, get used to playing the F and G major chords. They can come up a lot. These are your 4 and your 5 chords. So if you're counting by the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, F is your 4, Fa, and Sol, your G is your 5th note degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get used to playing those a lot. So from C first inversion, so from C, F, G, F, G. Even if you want to play compa, that's really what you're playing a lot of the times, is those progressions. Let's get back to the song, right? So saboter sa, C first inversion. Saboter sa gloire infinie. Right? After that G first inversion, to go to the next part, de tout le côté matoué. Right? We're gonna go for 3 different chords. C first inversion, F major, G major, and back to C at the end. Right? So we're throughout the entire song, we're constantly playing these same chords over and over and over again. C first inversion, de tout le côté matoué. Now for the last part. Sans regard, we're gonna go to the G major, key, and the F major, potela, back to C, V, suma, to the F major. So now from here, for the rest of that phrase, suma pouvez aimer ça, suma pouvez aimer ça ba. Yeah, that's gonna confuse me a little bit, but you guys know which part I'm singing on, right? The ending of that phrase. So that phrase here, as they're saying the last line, we're gonna go into a progression that we've done before on the channel, but it's really it's called the 3-6-2-5-1 progression, right? I'm not sure if anyone else has a different name for it, but that's how I call it, because that's what we're doing. The numbers come from the scale degree, like how we were talking about before, how the F is the 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th note of the scale, and the 5, the Sol, is the 5th note in the scale degree, right? The numbers 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 correlate with the numbers of the scale degree. So 3 with a 3rd chord here, which technically is the E minor chord, but we make it in the C first inversion, like we're doing the entire song. From here to 3, so we're gonna go to the 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, A minor, to the 2, which is D minor, to the 5, which is G, and then back to the 1. So in total, that sounds like 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. So to get that last part in, sans regard, go to the 5, the G key, to the 4, the F, porter la vie, or la vie. You can keep it at that C first inversion, or you can just go back to regular C. Suma pouvez aimer ça bessin. Right, so that suma pouv, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Right, it's a little bit fast, especially if we're playing it up tempo. Boom pop, boom pop, boom pop, boom pop. Right. Da, 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 see how I played it just then? In my left hand, I didn't even go throughout each chord. I didn't do that, right? Instead, I just let one finger that is holding the bass note play it, as my right hand pretty much does most of the work. And if you want to copy all the difficult notes, difficult chords as well, like when I'm playing the D minor 7, we have D minor, and then I'm making it 7 because I'm adding the 7th note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's the extended version, but it's just simple. So basically, what I'm doing, if you kind of recognize it, I'm playing the D in my left hand, but I'm playing an F major chord in my right hand. The reason why it still sounds minor is because of that D I'm playing at the bottom. If I wasn't playing the D, it would just be F major. You know what I mean? So playing that last part, 3, 6, I'm playing an inversion of an A here, of an A minor here. So rather than playing an A, C, E, I'm taking that E, putting it down here. Because this way of playing this chord, it makes it easier because I'm coming off of playing this chord. Right? It's the same, almost the same notes, except I'm switching out that G for an A. See that? Minimal movement, but I'm playing the chords that I need to play. And then from here, all I'm switching is again one note from E to F. And then to play off the G, I switch it again, just simply, and then back to C. All right. Now let's play the whole song. Jour Beni, Jour De Victoire, que je ne saurais. To the D minor, as oublié, to the G major. J'ai vu, sorry, le roi de gloire apparaissant sur mon sentier. Sa beauté, sa gloire est finie de tous les côtés m'entourer. Son regard qui portait la vie, or la vie, whichever one, sur ma poupée, à mes seins, bébé. That last word always gets me, right? Now I'm gonna play it in full. You guys want to watch? This is how I'll play it. If you guys like to see me playing these songs in full, as I would on the services, let me know, you know. But I take it slow for you guys' benefit, so you guys can see how slow I play everything. But let me know how, you know, if you guys want to see me do everything kind of quickly, just so we can get a full understanding of how it should sound when I'm playing it. Right, add my own little flair every time. But thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Rewind the video as many times as you need to go ahead and get the full scope of everything. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have more videos coming, more content, different songs, different tempos. But yeah, let me know. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.